All right, welcome back. So let's turn off the invert layer, and I'm going to go to Posterize. And so with this one, it's the same as invert. There's not much you can really do. If you have a layer mask, you can edit that layer mask here with density and feather, and then color range, invert, and select the mask. With Posterize, we can adjust the levels. So if I don't want them to be very posterized, then we can set them there. Now let me see what I'm going to delete this for a second. Yes, I want to delete. Don't show again, and I'm going to add this again. So let me delete that and see what the defaults were. Okay, so they set the default level at 4, and the reason why they did that is because if you put it at 0, then he goes. Let me see. Then he goes to this. So I think 4 kind of is a little easier on the eyes. The real bright contrast and brightness really pops off the screen. So I think this looks actually very nice. So I'm going to hit Control S to save that, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.